Day 19 physics. So, first of all, sorry for my handwriting. I was solving it while I was going to Tashkent. So, the first question of our physics question say that we have this F upwards, F downwards, F left to F right. So, the resulting force is the both of them 0, F and minus to F. F to right side, A. The second question say that we have chronometer. The minimum second which it measure is 0.2. So they're given one is fraction and one is divisible by this. So the correct answer is that. So the third question say that first 100 kilometer by this speed, second 100 kilometer by this speed. So to find the average speed while we are dividing the length by two sides in this formula, just putting numbers getting this. This is that was the average speed. The first question say that what will happen with the speed of a satellite when the radius is radius becomes smaller. So this is the formula of speed. So the speed is inversely proportional to the root of distance. So nu is 0.8 r. So this the root of r and 1 is v0. So v0 divided by the root of 8.8 is higher than v0. So that's why new speed should be greater than the last speed. The correct answer is A. So the fifth question said that we have this block, and this, the same mass, weight. So there's without mass, a road without mass. What will happen if we nothing will happen. They will stay at the same position because they have the same this. So we have this power. We have to find the power. So in 2 seconds we lifted a body with 1.53 divided by 100 kilograms. So just P equals A to divide by work divided by time. Work is F multiplied by S divided by time as the distance. F is mg. So this 15 watts. Seventh question said that we have from 1 meter above we have a ball dropping. In each har bir urilishdan keyin 20%dan kuchini yo'qotyapti. Demak 0.8. So 100% is 1 meter. So 80% is 80 centimeters. So again losing 20% this percentage. Again losing 20% of this in these meters. Approximately 50 centimeters. The correct answer is E. Eighth question say that we have two inclined ramps frictionless, which was 60 degree with 30 degree. Two identical bodies are descending. So they have the same final speed because their height is the same energy, the same speed. Ninth question say that we have a gravitational energy. It's the function of ref because we cannot calculate this. We can calculate this by finding the difference from 0 to 0. So that's why it's a function. We'll understand better. So we had a gas, and after some times the volume and temperature increased by 2. And looking by this, they are equal because they are constant. So the pressure remains the same. So that's why none of them. 11th question, we have two different shapes, two different vessels, but the same height. What will be the bottom ratio of them the same. If the same height, the same hydrostatic pressure. So we have a force and a force under 45 degree. So we are just dividing this, getting that F this equals to this. So we have to find the ratio of them. So this C. Certain question said that in a circular motion, a dot, like a parcel, has an acceleration which is directed to the center, E. 14th question, changing the velocity in some amount of time, it's a acceleration, A. 15 say that in constant acceleration in Cartesian plane, which graphic? So this is time, this is our speed, like in short amount of time the speed is increasing, so A. 16th question say that we have a satellite which is like doing circular motion. The modulus of this vector equals to the speed, yes. So and its acceleration is toward the center. So the third statement say that its average is 0 because its velocity have vectoral, like upward and downward equals to 0. It is like moving like this, so it becomes nu, the average. 17 say that we have A and B, that's the plane flying there and returning from this. No air, like so if we have a flow of air from this side, what will happen? So it will be harder to get there, so the amount of time will be greater if we have flow of air. 18th question, 1 kilowatt, its unit of energy. Kilo means 10 in third power, hour means 3060 seconds. So just multiply them because they are multiplication. So this means 3600 kilojoules.